So you think about moving to Marietta, Georgia, and your price point is somewhere in the 700s, and you have no idea what to buy. Denny, tell them what they can get.
Well, we're going to take you around to a couple of different properties in the 700s. That way you have some insights into the market and what your budget will get, and show you a little bit about what the lifestyle looks like here in Marietta. So let's get after it right now. Hey, if this is your first time to the channel, well, maybe it's your 10th time to the channel, and for some reason you haven't yet subscribed. Well, if you're getting any value out of these videos, we would at least appreciate you subscribe. But in all seriousness, if you want to know everything about eating, sleeping, working, playing, the good and the bad of living in Atlanta, you should subscribe, ring the bell for notifications so you know when we release new content, and you can just stay up to date on the market here in Atlanta, or in this case, Marietta. My name's Denny.
I'm Jason.
And the team and I get calls each and every day from people just like you looking to make the move to Atlanta. We absolutely love it. So whether you're moving next week, next year, or anytime in between, what should they do?
They should contact us by email, text, Zoom, it doesn't matter. Get a hold of us.
If you're looking to make the move to Atlanta, we'd love to be a resource and help you make it as smooth as possible. As I mentioned in this video, we're going to take you around, show you some properties in the 700s so you can get an idea of what your budget might buy, or what kind of a property fits into that budget. Hopefully give you some insights into the life and the lifestyle. And so let's go check out that first property on your tour.
Let's go.
Man, winter chicken dinner. This one is smoking hot. This is a super great location. I mean, literally, we are 1,500 yards to the Marietta Square. We are 500 yards to one of my favorite places on the entire planet. Right there is the Glover Park Brewery. This house is awesome. This is an N unit, 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath, 2,000 square feet, 2016 construction. This thing is fantastic inside. We have 10-foot ceilings on the main level, 9-foot ceilings on the upper 2 levels. This guy has a fabulous kitchen. It's waterfall granite on the island, stainless appliances, big Howe casing in all of the trim. This one is absolutely spot on, and you can literally be walking distance to downtown, and you're in the 7s. This one's awesome. Still on our tour of homes in the 7s in Marietta. This one is an absolute gem. We are literally at the Marietta Square. It is about 500-yard walk from here. This is part of the historic district. This house itself is fantastic. It's listed at $725. We are looking at 3,200 square feet, almost new construction. Absolutely fantastic inside. High-end appliances, quartz countertops, wonderful colors. Everything about this house looks great. And for the size and the proximity, being literally in the historic district, this house is an absolute steal at $725.
Well, let's swing around. I'm gonna show it to you because we haven't even shown you the house yet, but isn't that one gorgeous? And that one gorgeous? And this one is not gonna disappoint.
Got the cute little she shed on the side, great backyard.
This is a she shed. And then right over our shoulder is
the actual square.
The square itself. Let's go check out the next property.
Okay, Marietta 700s. We actually also did a series on Marietta in the 600s. Had a house right around the corner, excellent condition, 3,800 square feet, and that one was in the mid 6s. This one's 5,400 square feet, 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath. This one's gonna be $740. This is a great opportunity here because A, you're gonna get 5,000 square feet in the Marietta area for $750, but the thing that makes this really unique is this detached garage. So we've actually got a carriage house. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 cars worth of parking, plus we've got a full apartment on the top. In addition to that, they've got excellent living space in the back, multi-tiered deck, really private, but not wet, just really private. And then all the renovations that they've done on the inside are fantastic. We've got light colored floors, light colored cabinets, stainless appliances, quartz countertops, huge master suite with a fully renovated bath. This is a great option if you're in the sevens. Okay, we're here in the highly sought after Highland Point neighborhood. This is a great house for multiple reasons. We're in the mid sevens, 742.5 on this house, 5-bedroom, 4-bath, 4,200 square feet. The thing that makes this awesome, and if you look at our videos that we shot on homes in the 8s, we were literally right up the street with a gorgeous house that was in the mid 8s. The thing that's wonderful about this is it's $100,000 less, and there's a great reason why. There's room to finish in the basement where the other one already had a wonderful, fully finished basement. So the great thing about an unfinished basement is you don't have to take out anything you don't like. You don't have to fix something from the 1980s, and you can do whatever you want with it. So this is a great opportunity if you are looking, saying, I need to be in the sevens, but I'm gonna want room to expand. The other thing that makes this one great, Lassiter High School here on top of Signal Mountain. We are 5 minutes from Sandy Plains and all the shopping over there. This is a fantastic neighborhood, great opportunity. Inside of this house is beautiful, big sunny backyard. This is a great option in the mid sevens.
Well, hopefully you enjoyed that tour. Now you have a better idea of what the 700s looks like here in Marietta. Jason, what was your favorite one on the tour?
You know, I think I really like the second one the best.
You would, wouldn't you? Hey, listen, let us know which one you like. Put that in the comments below. As always, if you got any value out of this or you want to stay up to date on the market here in Atlanta, subscribe below, ring the bell for notifications. And if you're moving, whether it's next week, next year, anytime in between, call, text, email, schedule a Zoom, send us a boat, get us out of this rain.
Make sure it has a motor.
Yeah. Well, I was going to make him paddle.
Okay, sorry.
Or he's full of hot air. We can have him blow. I love it. Hey, listen, until we see you in person, hopefully we'll see you on the next episode.